Did you know that 70% of millionaires didn't win the lottery or inherit wealth? They built it through simple, consistent habits? That means you could be one habit away from a millionaire lifestyle. Today, I'm going to show you how you could become a millionaire by 2027. Yes, you heard that right. It's not about luck. It's about mastering the right habits that build wealth over time. Absolutely. Elaborating those two sections will deepen the emotional connection with the audience and provide more value. Here's a richer and more emotionally engaging version. Let's be real. Most people want to become millionaires, but very few are willing to do what it takes, and even fewer know what to do. So what's standing in the way? Poor financial habits. We're living in a world designed to make you spend. One-click shopping, endless sales, buy now, pay later schemes. It's a trap. People blow money on liabilities instead of assets. They're stuck in a cycle of earning and spending, never saving or investing. Lack of discipline. Let's be honest. Financial success isn't flashy in the beginning. It's skipping that impulse buy, waking up early to learn, or saying no to short-term pleasure. And discipline isn't sexy, but it's what separates the wealthy from the wishful. Information overload or misinformation. There's so much noise online. Crypto this, stock that, get-rich-quick schemes everywhere. People either do nothing because they're overwhelmed or worse, they fall for scams and lose even more. Mindset and environment. If you grew up in a household where money was always tight, or success seemed like something other people achieve, that belief can haunt you. You start thinking wealth isn't for people like you, and that lie keeps you stuck. But here's the truth, millionaires are made, not born. They're not smarter, luckier, or more gifted. They just developed the right habits, and they stuck with them. So what are these millionaire-making habits? Here's what the top 1% know, and what you can start doing today. 1. Automate your savings. Don't rely on willpower. Set your bank to automatically move 10 to 20% of your income into a savings or investment account the day you get paid. Out of sight, out of mind. Even $5 a day adds up over time. This simple move puts your wealth building on autopilot. 2. Invest early and consistently. Time in the market beats timing the market. Let's say you invest just $200 a month into an index fund with an average 8% return. In 10 years, you'd have around $36,000. In 30 years, over $280,000. That's the power of compound interest. The earlier you start, the less you have to invest later. 3. Live below your means. It's not about being cheap. It's about being strategic. That $500 designer bag could become $5,000 if invested. Millionaires often drive used cars, live in modest homes, and avoid debt. They focus on freedom, not flexing. 4. Prioritize learning. The average millionaire reads 2 or more books a month, mostly about business, mindset, or investing. Podcasts, YouTube channels, online courses. The knowledge is free, but most people won't take it. Educating yourself financially is like unlocking cheat codes in life. 5. Track every dollar. Use a budgeting app or a good old-fashioned spreadsheet. When you track your spending, you control your future. You'll find areas to cut, opportunities to save, and patterns that might be silently sabotaging your progress. These 5 habits aren't magic, but when done consistently, they become unstoppable. They take you from reactive living to intentional wealth building, and that's how millionaires are made. Of all these habits, the most powerful one is this: consistency. Let me tell you about John, a teacher who never made more than $45,000 a year, but he invested $300 a month for 30 years and retired with over $1 million in assets. He wasn't lucky. He was disciplined. That's the secret sauce. Here's the truth. Building wealth isn't about having a huge paycheck. It's about making small, smart decisions every single day. The 5 habits we just covered aren't complicated, but they are powerful. If you commit to them consistently, you won't just imagine being a millionaire by 2027, you'll be on your way to living it. Let me know if you'd like the tone to be more hype, more chill, or more emotional, or if you want me to write an outro line with music suggestions too. Which of these habits are you going to start right now? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more real talk on money, habits, and freedom, hit that subscribe button. Your future self will thank you.